Hi, let me show you how to change Siri's language on iPhone. For that, we need to start by going in Settings and finding Siri section. It can be Siri and Search or Siri and Apple Intelligence or just Siri. Now as a first step, make sure that Talk to Siri is turned on or at least press side button for Siri is turned on. Now to change its language, we just need to find corresponding setting in the list. So go in the voice section. Here you'll be able to change its voice as well as accent. And to change language, just tap on the language and find preferred one in this list. As you can see, Siri supports a lot of languages, and we can use, for example, Spanish as an example. Great, now let's save changes by going back. And here, as you can see, changing Siri's language will also turn off Hey Siri. So to teach Siri to understand your voice in a new language, you just need to turn on Hey Siri again. So if you really want to change its language, then tap it, go back, and choose that option, Change Language. Now go back to Talk to Siri and select that option with New Language. Now you need to set it up by saying aloud everything you'll see on the screen. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.